Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Point Siena in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that is wood framed. It is offered at $369,900. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Point Siena in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that is wood framed. This home has a new roof that was put on in 2024. It has a new washer in 2024. The appliances were installed in the year 2017, and the AC, air conditioning, was installed in the year 2020. The front of this home does face southwest. As I pan the street to the left, that is facing north, and that is facing south. You can see that this home has maintenance-free landscaping. It does have stones in the front yard. Very mature landscaping. This home does have a 1.5 car garage. You can see that the concrete work is in very good condition. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the Levy team. Right there is their contact information with Realty Property International. Let's go inside this home, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful engineered wood floor. You do have the kitchen area in front of you. Off to the right, you do see your living and dining area as well. I will take you into the kitchen. This kitchen does have a natural gas stove, Formica countertops, white cabinets. It has awesome glass subway tile backsplash. I don't know if you can see that there, friends, but that is gorgeous. This has a large U-shaped kitchen in this model. This home is offered turnkey. Just to give you an idea of what this home has to offer, it does have acoustic textured ceilings as well. And there is a 2006 Yamaha golf cart that does go with this home. Here we are in the 1.5 car garage. That is your mechanicals. That's your water heater there, friends. Concrete work looks in very good condition in this garage space. Back into the home, back into the living area. You do see these beautiful engineered wood floors continuing. That is your dining space and a patio door that leads out to the side patio. I will visit that area a little bit later. That kitchen does have a 2-bowl sink as well, friends. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture in this home. Off to the right, you will see a bathroom and bedroom area. That is a guest bedroom. Does have a sliding pocket door for privacy. This guest bedroom does have carpet on the floors, very high ceilings. That is a king-size bed to give you perspective as well. I will swing around and show you what this room has to offer. It does have raised panel bifold doors on the closet as well. I will show you what that closet looks like. There's your closet. Wire rack shelf. This is a better idea of what your bedroom looks like here. Back into the hallway, you do have a guest bathroom. It does have tile floors, Formica countertop, 1 sink, brushed stainless fixture. That tub The surround is a plastic or fiberglass surround as well there, friends. That is your linen closet for your guest bathroom. Very large linen closet, by the way. Back into the living area. This home is 1,158 square feet of heated space. To give you an idea. Very comfortable home. Back to the back of the home, you do have your primary bedroom. It does have carpet on the floors. That's a king-size bed. Very high ceilings. We'll swing around. It does have a sliding patio door out to the Florida room. I will visit that area a little bit later. There is a walk-in closet right there and your primary bathroom. The walk-in closet does have carpet on the floors. Very high ceilings, lots of storage shelves. The primary bathroom does have tile on the floors, white cabinets for mica countertop, one sink, very high ceilings. Very nice. Has a commode space. There is a shower as well. It looks to me to be a 48-inch shower. That shower module is fiberglass or plastic as well. Does have a light above that shower as well. Off into the back of the home, you have a Florida room. Just give you a panoramic view of what that home looks like. Here's your Florida room. It does have tile over the concrete floor. It does have a HVAC duct in the ceiling. It is a temperature controlled Florida room. Very nice. It does have window shades, very tall windows as well. This is awesome. This is the side yard, side patio. This home is maintenance free. Concrete work is in excellent condition. HVAC system installed in 2020. Right there. Very nice. We'll take a look at the backyard. That is artificial turf right there, friends. No mowing needed. And it's in perfect condition. That is your home right there. Really no maintenance, very little maintenance to do on this home, friends. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. Feel free to share the video with your friends who may be interested in a home like this. Concrete work is in excellent condition. Let's go back into that home. Give you a last view of this Florida room. Very comfortable. Back into that living space. It is a turnkey home. It is a very low bond. You will need to contact a real estate agent to know what the bond balance is, but it is very low. Back into that, I'll give you a last panoramic view of that kitchen for mica countertops. Back outside we go. This home is located at 1631 Edisto Lane, here in the Villages, Florida, in the village of Point Siena. List price $369,900. This home has a new roof. a new washer in 2024, 2017 appliances, and 2020 air conditioner. As I walk out to the street, as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the Levy team. Right there is their contact information. I will leave that contact information in the description of the video as well. That garage door does have sliding screens. That's what you see there. As I walk out to the street, we are in the village of Point Siena in the Villages, Florida. There you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed courtyard villa with a new roof, offered at $369,900. It does have a motivated seller. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Point Siena in the Villages, Florida. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa is offered at $369,900. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.